Evening, just a quick catch up. Harvest is underway. So we didn't get any winter barley in because of the wet autumn. We'd made the decision not to grow any winter rape. This area we suffered desperately with flea beetle, and as there's not much you can do to try and prevent flea beetle, then it was just getting to the situation there was no point in trying to grow it because the crops were failing. The flea beetle were eating it before you even had the opportunity to spray it. So well, that was this evening's workout, wasn't it? They're not trained to the fork like they used to be. Before we had the silage pusher on the JCB, we literally did it 4 or 5 times a day. Because obviously they push the silage away from them so they can't actually reach. Although they use their tongues to try and get the silage, they can't sometimes. So yeah, you tend to get a little level barrier where their tongues can reach to. So yeah, that's tonight's workout. So we've done the Nelson, which is a bread making wheat. I don't know how that's come off quality wise yet. I'll have to catch up with the others. Well, you've got those winter crops that were drilled in the spring, and you've got the spring wheats, spring barley to come off later. Try and do this little vid, and this lot have all just turned up to see what I'm up to. So yeah, the girls want to know what's happening. Very inquisitive. Yeah. As soon as it came, well, it was so wet, nothing tilled correctly, and obviously then it just came so dry. So it was, yet again, farming has been an interesting year. Number of people I spoke to at the beginning of lockdown, the farmers, and said, I need to do my spring drilling, but we've been told to stay at home. And it's sort of, when you're farming, you're trying to grow crops to feed the nation, or just sort of can't you self-isolate on your tractor? Most of them did actually. So yeah, most people got the crops in that they wanted to get in. Some people decided to stick to a fallow. I will catch up with you another day. I promised to get that harvest video, that combining video done. Probably putting it on George's channel as well. So yeah, just trying something different. So yeah, look after yourselves. This lot, busy chewing and cuds, watching the world go by. Yeah, so we'll catch up with you soon. Bye for now.